Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Download Zaggle from the official App Store and open the app to begin registration. Tap Create Account, enter your mobile number and email, then verify with the OTP sent by SMS. The app will prompt you to set a secure PIN. Complete KYC by uploading PAN or government ID and a selfie for identity verification. After verification completes, go to Settings and enable two-factor authentication to secure logins. Finally, review permissions and allow notifications so the app can notify you about payments and approvals. Open Wallet and add a bank account or card securely by following the bank verification flow. Link using net banking, UP, or card credentials. To pay, choose Scan QR or New Payment, enter the beneficiary name or UPI ID, type the amount, then tap Pay. Confirm the transaction with your PIN or biometric. Top up employee or team wallets from your linked account. Use UP, net banking, or card and watch the balance update instantly. All transactions post to the activity feed with timestamps and reference ID for reconciliation. Assign virtual or physical cards to team members and set per card controls such as daily limits, merchant categories, and expiry dates. When employees spend, they submit receipts and notes. Managers review requests in the approvals queue and approve or reject with comments. Generate monthly expense reports and filter by department, project, or card, then export CSV to import into your accounting software. Use the audit log to review transaction history, disputes, and approval trails for compliance. Tag transactions to projects for accurate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.